How to add transitions in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add transitions in Capcut PC. So let's dive in. First, import any project that you want to work on and then click this plus sign and add it to the track. And then you have to simply select the video and then on the top you'll find this transitions option. Click it and it's going to load the resources for you and it might take a little time, so be patient. And at this step you can now add the transitions once loaded. You can also choose this drop down menu and here you can just automatically go to the transition that you want. For example, if you want the split one, you can just click this one and you can download these by clicking this download button, and the downloading might take a little time. So once downloading complete, click this plus sign and then you can just add the transition, but make sure the clip is a continuous clip. And that's a process that you can follow to add transition in Capcut PC. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.